Hey, Nevaeh.
Watching. Wow.
Not too close from there, honey. Hey, Nevaeh. Gosh.
Wow, still.
She's singing. You're funny, Nevaeh. What is she?
She can wipe them out.
I know. Oh my God, you're loud. This is Jethro on Halloween. Nevaeh! There's Nevaeh and Shantae. Put on her.
I need a poo. I need a poo. Bee. Say hi, Bee.
Doesn't like it.
Very happy.
Say, see you at Auntie Gina's house.
Mama.
Say, Mommy.
Mommy.
Okay, okay. Look at the video.
Sige, kasama na kayo. Ayan. Oh, dito. Dito. Here.
Okay, okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay.
You? Si Auntie naman mag-isa. Bakit naman sila mag-isa ko? Lagi naman meron ako remember sa akin. Oh,
Where's her
I'm gonna take her picture just Auntie. Wait na ko. I'm gonna...
Move here.
Ate Milan siya to give me a picture so I can send it in the Philippines.
Yeah.
So they... Wala naman akong makeup pa kasi.
Yeah, naka-shades naman eh. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Di color naman yung shade ko eh.
Alright.
Di bali na oh. Bagong ano.
Okay, go, let's go.
Okay. Go, Jojo.
Go. Sige na, gabi na.
Kaya na paggabi, ano eh, yung parang rainy.
Blurry.
Go, goes.
Go, Santa. Hey,
She's done.
oh, you done?
Yeah.
You got some already?
Yeah.
Bang, ganito.
Oh, ganda.
No running.
Kalimutan mo.
I'm done. I got a lot of candy.
Good.
But that's
Cute.
full.
Ay, kala ko may binigay ka tayo ng ano.
Cellphone.
Well, I'm walking around, so meet me at like. I'll tell you to keep going.
Come on. Are you having fun, baby?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yep, we do.
You happy too?
One more candy. You... Oh my God. Let me see. It's dark.
Do it night vision.
How? You look like a vampire.
Me?
Yeah.
Because of the night vision.
But when you watch it, it's not.
It has to be like that. That's the only way you can see at night.
Let me see Jen. Shetro.
He's sleeping. How are I gonna trick or treat like this?
Jasmine, there's some over there. Go get it.
Hey, B.
Say hi.
Tetra.
Bait-bait naman ito. Hindi nangingilala. Hindi siya nangingilala.
I know. There's mommy.
Not there.
Sino ba yun? Bakit ibang mukha? Pero talagang bilis ako sa iyo. Hindi ka nangingilala. Buet? Buet? Sana ganito ka kahit ako mag-babysit. Ako na lang ang babysitter mo, ha? Pwede ba ako na lang ang babysitter? Yeah. Ha? $50 lang. $50 a day.
Don't like it? I'm here. Say hi, sweetie. Don't go up there, Van.
That was great.
Clown, chum.
Hey, Dennis. It's time to wash up for bed?
Before we wish to be one.
Then let's look up gorillas in the great big book of everything.
Well, and how can we all be right? That's a good question. Oh, bother.